Trade recap on November 3rd, 2025. Monday's candle. This is Monday's candle. I was predominantly bullish during the session, so I'll talk about what I did, my logic, and what happened, and how I adapted on the 15 minutes time frame. I was watching the charts at 8:30. I started watching charts at 8:30. Then we had this candle, and at 9:30 we failed to grab this high. Had a couple of new day opening gaps around this level here. So price failed to grab this high, and when it took out this loss, I was watching to see if price wanted to go for this high. When it took out this low, I entered the position, but I felt it was too early, then I closed it. And at this candle here, I took a long position and it ended up being a loss. I was watching charts, and at when price traded to this high through this candle, closed back above, at this candle 10:45 I took a long on the premise that we're finding support at this level and at this new week open gap level here. That's this 18 o'clock high. I took the position, and we were having resistance at this level, this inverted level. And based on information I felt on the daily candle that had made an high and made a low, and we're seeing this level as some sort of resistance, I closed my short. Then I in partial profit, and then I closed my long in a partial profit, and then I took a short position, my stops at this high, and then I ended up getting stopped out with this candle at 11:45. Yeah, so price, I took a position, the long position here, I closed it here, took a short here, and then I got stopped out here. My long position stops were at this low, and my take profit was at 126 155, which ended up getting traded to later in the day after my shorts. The short, I was seeing short selling, so I think it was just the timing was not right, and this is usual. Some models that I would have employed was the open range gap. We had in 9:30 at this high, and we had the previous market close at this low. That's 1615, almost a 300-point handle. That price traded almost immediately in about an hour to close the gap with the new week open gap as a draw on price action. That was a 2024 model that was taught on ICT's YouTube channel. Yeah, that was nice to see. That was one of my models, but I wasn't looking for that. I was wanting to see higher prices. Let me put on some of these. Yeah, so these were some clusters of new day open gaps we have had above price actions that when price traded above 9:30 distributed positions above that high, and we saw the market collapse Then we had a retest at these levels, and we're currently seeing these levels here. Let me put on the new week open gap as well. I'll take the new day open gap off. Yeah, so the new week open gap was a support level for this price action, and the second support level I took a long off here. Let me put on these executions. Yeah, I took the first long here. Then I closed the position. I took the second long here. She ended up getting stopped out at this level here, 26.87 and the quarter. Then I took the third position here, which I closed at this place here, and I took the sell here, and I got stopped out on this candle here. And then that was it for the day. So four positions, four executed positions. I closed this one at break even, and the three were full positions. These were four positions for November 3rd, 2025. Moving forward, I'm looking to see if we would reach for these lows at 25,887 and these lows at 25,853, and possibly this level here, because we've had a very huge expansion and we could see some kind of retracement. So yeah, that's it for this review.